Hi and welcome again to a new video in Python. In the previous video we talked about modules, creating simple modules and how to use them. In this video we will talk about user input, keyboard input, how to prompt the user to type something. Alright, now let's turn to Spyder. So we're going to type something. Let's say we're going to use the raw input command for that. So let me define a variable equals raw input. This is how we prompt the user's entry here, and then in parentheses we can type the statement that we want to be displayed to the user. Let's say type something. All right, and now let's print the output. So let's say here's your output. And we're going to add the variable that we created. Right, let's run command and see what we get. It's going to ask you type something. So go ahead and type just anything. Let's say F. It's going to say here's your output, letter F. Run the program again. So if you type, let's say X plus Y, it's going to show X plus Y. If you type a number again, and let's say you type 5 plus 6, it will show 5 plus 6. So it will take your input as a string. So here's the raw input, and whatever you type in is taken as a string. Another way to prompt the user to enter something is the input command. So the input function here, we could try this and see what we get. So if I type this here, let's say enter 5, it's going to say here's your output. And if you type, let's say 5 plus 8, notice the answer is 13. And here's the major difference between the input and the raw input command. Raw input is taking it as a string, while the input function is taking it as a Python expression. So if you type, let's run the program here again. So if you type here Y, it says name Y is not defined. Let's run the program again. Let's say you type range. That's one of the recognized functions in Python. Let's say range 1, 5. And the output, again, it's taking this as a Python expression, not as a string, and then display the output here. If we go back to the raw input and let's try again, and you type here the same thing, range, and let's say again 1, 5, it will type range 1, 5. So it's not taking it as a Python command. So this is the main difference between raw input and input. Both prompt the user to enter something. The raw input is taking it as a string, while the input function take it as a Python expression to be interpreted. It's a short video, so this is what I wanted to display here. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.